Challenges and setbacks in life often make us feel powerless and confused. However, Buddhist teachings tell us that everyone has infinite power and potential in their hearts. When we can release this power, we can overcome difficulties and meet the light in life. Self-cognition is the first step to release inner power. When we can truly understand ourselves and recognize our values and abilities, we can build firm self-confidence. Self-awareness is a process of deep understanding of one's own heart. In life, we are often influenced by the evaluation of the outside world and forget the real voice in our hearts. Through self-cognition, we can see our advantages and disadvantages, so as to better control our emotions and behaviors. This not only allows us to stay calm in the face of difficulties, but also allows us to face the challenges of the future more confidently. Fear is the greatest enemy of our inner power. Buddhist teachings teach us that fear comes from worry and uneasiness about the unknown. When we can recognize the essence of things and accept them, we can overcome fear and release our inner strength. Don't let the past tie you. Don't let the future scare you. Now is your strength. Let go of the persistence of the past and worries of the future, and focus on the strength and possibility of the present, because only in the present can we truly exert our inner strength and potential. The inner power does not come from the external environment, but from your heart. Our inner strength comes from our own hearts, not by external conditions and environment. Regardless of the external environment, as long as we can go deep into our hearts and explore our own strength, we can overcome difficulties and show our stronger strength than we imagined. The real power is not to control and conquer, but to accept and let go. The real power is not shown by controlling and dominating others or the outside world, but by accepting oneself and letting go of persistence. When we learn to accept our weaknesses and imperfections and let go of our persistence and expectations, we can truly release our inner strength and make ourselves stronger. Don't be trapped by the past. Don't worry about the future. Now is your strength. We cannot be troubled by the mistakes and pains of the past, nor can we be suppressed by the uncertainty and worries of the future. Only now can we truly exert our inner strength and create our own future. Your inner power is greater than you think. You just need to believe in yourself. Each of us has infinite possibilities. As long as we believe in ourselves and explore and use our inner strength, we can surpass our imagination and become stronger and more powerful.